Ever wondered how all those clever traders on TradingView actually make money? You see their charts, their analysis, their brilliant calls, but how does that translate into cold, hard cash? It's a fantastic question, and one we're going to dive deep into today. TradingView, as a platform, doesn't directly pay its users for their trading activities. It's not a brokerage itself. Think of it more like a sophisticated toolkit and a vibrant social hub for traders and investors. You get access to incredible charting tools, real-time data, and a massive community to share ideas and learn from each other. But the platform itself isn't cutting you a check based on your winning trades. So, if TradingView isn't directly paying you, where does the money come from? Well, the profits you make are a direct result of your own trading strategies executed through a brokerage account that you've linked or use in conjunction with the insights you gain from TradingView. Let's break that down. You might use TradingView to analyze a particular stock, identify a potential breakout, and then place a buy order. That actual transaction, the buying and selling of the stock, happens through your chosen broker. Think of names like Fidelity, Interactive Brokers, or Binance for crypto. Any profit you make from that trade lands in your brokerage account, not directly within your TradingView account. Now, there are ways to indirectly monetize your presence and expertise on TradingView. One popular avenue is through creating and selling custom PineScript indicators and strategies. PineScript is TradingView's proprietary programming language that allows users to develop their own technical analysis tools. If you're skilled in coding and have a knack for creating useful indicators, you can publish them on the TradingView community scripts section and offer them for sale. Other users can then subscribe to your premium indicators, generating a recurring income stream for you. Another way to leverage TradingView for financial gain is by building a following and potentially monetizing that audience off-platform. Many successful traders and analysts use TradingView to share their insights, build a reputation, and attract followers. This can then open doors to other opportunities, such as offering private mentorship, running educational courses, or even managing funds, though this often requires specific licenses and regulatory compliance. Furthermore, some individuals use TradingView as a tool to support their work as affiliate marketers. They might discuss trading tools or brokerage platforms and include affiliate links in their off-platform content, earning a commission if their audience signs up through their links. It's crucial to understand that these indirect monetization methods require significant effort, time, and often a strong understanding of your niche. Building a successful indicator or a loyal following doesn't happen overnight. TradingView provides the environment and the tools for you to make informed trading decisions. The financial rewards come from your successful trading executed through a separate brokerage or from the value you offer to the TradingView community through your knowledge and skills. So, while TradingView itself isn't your employer, it can be a powerful springboard for your financial endeavors in the world of trading and investing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.